All right, you ready for this? From a barbecue to a birthday cutie.
Ooh.
How do you like that? Tailor-made
that.
forecast time. In fact, on this Tuesday, we're celebrating a young man who is turning 1 today.
Aww.
How about Dayton? Look at this. Happy birthday, Dayton. 1 year old today in Elmendorf. Just a cutie. Parents are saying that he's our little superhero. 71 in about an hour, 67 as the sun sets, and then we'll probably see upper 50s. And you know what, Dayton? It's your birthday. There's no school tomorrow, even though you're probably not in school. You can stay up till 10 o'clock. I'm just going to go ahead and approve that right now. 59 degrees. Happy birthday, Dayton. I just absolutely love that picture. All right, so a lot of traveling going on. So we want to start right with the travel delays. Want to keep this updated each and every day heading into Thanksgiving Day. Now, things are looking pretty rough when you get into the central United States by Wednesday afternoon, and also North Texas by tomorrow afternoon. So this is going to be where we see some moderate delays at airports like perhaps Dallas-Fort Worth, and maybe down as far south as Austin. And then keep in mind, hopefully you're where you're supposed to be by 12:30 on Thanksgiving Day, but it's a better day to travel on Wednesday than Thursday in the state of Texas. We're not expecting severe weather, that's the good news, but it'll just be a windy and wet Thanksgiving Day around here. So speaking of travel, San Antonio International under mostly cloudy skies, but these are high thin clouds again. Temperature 69. We've got south-southeast winds now at 9 miles per hour. So now that we've lost that northerly breeze, we're going to start watching that dew point go up. So from 36 now, we're going to start seeing a rise on the humidity. In fact, look at the rise on temps. Down I-35 near 80 degrees right now. 64 at Bernie, 67 at Fredericksburg, 70 in Seguin. As we head into the hour by hour for this evening, we're going mostly cloudy later tonight for sure. Clouds will thicken towards sunrise, and that's definitely going to mean a little bit of more fog and patchy drizzle. Look at that moisture coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. That's going to touch off patchy fog tomorrow morning, so expect that. But here comes the rain and the cold. Temperatures will be a big story heading into Thanksgiving. 55 with the fog and mist on Wednesday before we hit 75. Then a 50-50 chance on rain Wednesday night. So it looks like the showers could start as early as about 6 or 7 p.m. and then we're ramping it all the way up to a 70% chance of rain on Thanksgiving Day. It's also going to be a windy and cold day where the highs early, 66, and then we're falling down into the upper 50s or near 60 by sunset. Then a 45-degree start to Friday before about 61 on the big retail therapy day. And then a cooler Saturday with a better chance of rain, 40 to 50% chance of showers with a high around 59. And then we'll start getting some warmer temps heading into next week. The good news is any thunderstorms that do develop Wednesday night into Thursday morning, non-severe. But this is a time of year we've got to keep an eye on radar. Meteorologist Andrew Wilson with some team weather on kind of a second surge on severe weather in the fall, Andrew.
Yeah, that's right, Bill. You know, as we head into the months of October and November, sometimes we do get some more severe weather through here, not just in the form of tornadoes, but also sometimes large hail and damaging winds. Now, the peak of the season for severe weather is typically right in the spring, but you see, we can have tornadoes any time of the year. We've had tornadoes in July, August, no matter the month, even in December, we've had tornadoes. But notice in October and November, 9 on average in October, 8 on average in November. So these are some months that we typically have to look out for the chance for severe weather. The fall severe weather season is sparked off whenever we start to see some of these stronger cold fronts start to move through again after we've gone through that hot and drier portion of the summertime. We get those really warm and humid conditions out ahead of those cold fronts, and then that cold front pushes through, really sparking up shower and thunderstorm activity. Some notable events that occurred in November. From November 16, 2004, we had 9 tornadoes total on that day. 3 of which were in Bexar County, 2 in Gillespie County, 2 in Blanco County, 1 was in Comal, and 1 in Travis County. And you can see here where those tornadoes were. Another event that we had to deal with was back on November 22nd, 1961. A small tornado touched down right in southwestern portions of San Antonio and did some damage to a home and even tossed a boat more than 50 feet. And back November 22nd and 23rd in 2004, again, it's not just tornadoes. A notable tornado hit Cuero, but we also had a lot of flooding occur from Bexar County up through Medina County, Frio County even saw some rain, and then also golf ball size hail was what we had back there in 2004 for the 22nd and 23rd. And then November 26, 1968, 5 tornadoes in Frio and Atascosa County, multiple barns and homes destroyed, a major event that occurred there back on November 26, way back in 1968. So remember, always keep an eye on what the weather's doing when we head through this time of year. We can have tornadoes any time of year, but again, this is kind of that second surge that we see as we head throughout these fall months. Of course, nothing as we head throughout tomorrow and nothing this afternoon. Alana, how are things looking out there on the roadways?